वेलकम टू संध्या फ्लेक्स। आइए हम आपको इंट्रोड्यूस कराएंगे कि इलेक्ट्रिकल हीटर का यूज कहाँ पे किया जाता है। तो वेयर यूज एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्लेड हीटर, वेल्डिंग फॉर पीवीसी वाटर स्टॉपर। तो फर्स्ट थिंग्स प्रिपरेशन बिफोर वेल्डिंग द PVC water stopper and the blade heater need to be prepared. This involves ensuring that both surfaces are clean and free from any contaminants that could affect the weld quality. Any debris, dust, or moisture should be removed. Blade heater setup. The blade heater, which is initially a heating element designed to melt the PVC, is set up and adjusted according to the welding requirements. This may involve adjusting the temperature and ensuring that the blade is clean and good condition. Third, alignment is important. The PVC water stopper piece that needs to be welded together is alignment properly. This ensures that the resulting weld will be a strong and uniform. Alignment tools may be used to ensure precious heating. The blade heaters is then brought into the contact with the PVC surfaces to be welded. The heat from the blade melt the PVC, creating a molten layer on the surface to be joined. This process required carefully control of temperature and pressure to ensure proper fusion without damage the PVC. Welding on the PVC surface are sufficiently heating and melted and pressed together familiar. This allow the molten PVC to fuse, creating a strong bond between the two pieces. Pressure may be applied using a specialized welding tools to ensure a tight seal and uniform weld. 6. Cooling. After welding, the fused PVC needs to cool and solidify to form a strong, durable bond. This typically happens relatively quickly once the pressure is released and the PVC is allowed to cool naturally. Inspection. Finally, the welded joint should be inspected to ensure that meets quality standards. This may involve visually inspection for any size of the defects or irregularity in the weld. Electrical blade heater welding in the commonly used in application where a strong leak-proof joint are required, such as in PVC water stopper for construction joint, expansion joint, and other water contaminant system. It's provided a reliable and the efficient method for joining PVC material, ensuring watertight seal and long-lasting performance. If any requirement of the PVC water stopper sizes 6 inch, 8 inch, 9 inch, 10 inch and 12 inch. Thickness 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm and 15 mm. Width is a 150 mm, 200 mm, 240 mm, 250 mm and 300 mm. Color is a black color, white color and blue color. So don't forget Sandhya flakes, and each length is a 25 meter. If any special length required, I accepted the in purchase order. Delivery time is a immediate and maximum 7 days. Depend of the quantity. Delivery period depend of the distance from the manufacturing unit. You are supply all over India, and you have so many reseller in all over India like the Gujarat, Assam, Odisha, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai, Madhya Pradesh. Thanks for watching.